We want to give you an update about Pretty Baby. It's not a very happy update because yung kanyang litter, yung kanyang breeding was an unsuccessful one. So, yan. Siya ay bagong panganak. But, wala kaming puppies. So, hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. Update tayo kay Hanya at kay Pretty Baby na bagong panganak. So guys, we've been very busy the past 2 weeks. Kaya hindi kami masyadong nakaka-upload. Last week, we were only able to upload once. This week, I'm trying my best to upload this by tomorrow so that at least makadalawa kami na upload. Our goal is to be able to upload 2 to 3 times a week. But because life happens, yon yung mga dahilan kung ba't di kami maka-upload as often as we want to. Anyway, we want to give you an update about Pretty Baby. It's not a very happy update because yung kanyang litter, yung kanyang breeding was an unsuccessful one. So, yan. Siya ay bagong panganak. But, wala kaming puppies. So, ganun talaga. Sometimes, may mga breeding na no matter how much you prepare for it, no matter how much you take care of yung dogs. Ayan, ba yan? Ang ingay ni Daddy. May problema, nagkakaproblema talaga. And this is one of it. If you look at her, she's active naman, she's happy, she's recovering, nandito siya sa loob ng bahay the whole time after niya manganak, ganyan, paggala-gala. But right now, what we wanna do sana is to move them here, yung client namin na wino-welt namin, and also the puppies. Wala na dito si Lemon, na wala pa rin final name hanggang ngayon, at si Cleopatra, supposedly nakikita nyo dito. It's because we moved them to the kennel already. We were planning sana to join a dog show, at sila sana yung isasama namin, but I think we fed Cleopatra too much. Medyo overweight siya and masyadong maliit na yung time for us to condition her correctly. So we have to step back and reevaluate our strategy. Pero yun nga, Jetta siya. Si Lemon naman, we think she still needs a little more time practicing and training. So ngayon, what we're doing is, actually what Vlad is doing is, tinatanggal niya na yung mga cages dito so that he can move it back to the kennel. Doon lalagay yung mga dogs. Nasaan yung dalawa? Speaking. Nandun na? Nandun na. Okay. So ito ay supposedly for Pretty Baby paglipat niya doon sa likod. Tama ba? Ito. Saan to?
Ito, para sa kanya.
Oo nga, para sa kanya. So, yun. Now that she's more than a week na cesarean, ipapasok muna namin siya dun sa kennel so that we can look after Hanya. Dito muna siya sa loob. So, okay naman siya. Babalik kami sa vet para ipatanggal yung stitches niya next week. But I think baka mauna si Hanya. Speaking of Hanya, punta tayo sa kanya. Wow, it rhymes. So, hanapin natin si Hanya Bear. Ayan, si Katkat. Ito si Didi. Ito si Taba. Pero si Hanya, ayun siya. Last week, dinala namin to sa vet ulit for the second time just so we can evaluate kung kailangan siya i-dextrose. Pero sabi kasi ni Doc at that time, kung kumakain naman kahit nasa spoon na hand-fed, wag na muna natin na i-dextrose. Kaya lang, the past 2 days, even with all the medication and the hand feeding that Blood is trying, ayaw niya na kumain. So, Saturday pa lang ngayon, baka sa Monday, as early as mag-open si Doc, pupunta na kami doon para madala namin si Hanya. She tries to drink naman, but I think it's important na IV yung gamitin natin para mas maka-recover siya. Pero as it is, payat na talaga si baby girl ko. Bebe, galingan mo. So, ito yung papasok ni Blood sa house. Itong dalawang to, dito lang sila. Yan. At saka si Kat na mabait. Nakakulong sila kasi nagliligpit nga si Blood. So, yun yung dahilan. Baby girl! Si pretty baby naman. Ito. Ayan na. Hala! Come here! Ayan. So, okay naman siya. She's very active. Kaya masyadong mainit ngayon, guys. So, parang pag mainit, yung mga dogs, they really don't like to eat. So, siya, inuunti-unti niya yung food niya pag kumain. Pero okay lang because pag summer, hindi talaga sila dapat mataba eh. Kasi sobrang prone to heat stroke pag mataba. Baby girl, ayan, okay naman siya. Very active. Kamutad na sinabi ko, she looks happy naman. Yan. And ikot-ikot nga lang siya kasi nadidinig niya yung mga tunog-tunog. Yun, ay pinagsaran siya ni Blood ng door. I think because baka mabagsakan siya nung cages na inaayos ni Blood. Halika na dito, baby girl. Dito ka na muna. Come here. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna help her recover from her operation at saka yung pagbubuntis niya, maibalik namin siya sa condition ulit. And then maybe later on we'll try again. Diba, baby? Baby? Baby girl? Come on. Come. So, guys, sometimes, pagka may mga nangyari and we feel like it's too heavy for us, minsan din rin namin sinishare, no? Like, and it's only because it's really hard for us to share it. Talagang dinadamdam din namin when something wrong happens with our dogs. For example na lang, si Vlad, pag nakita niyo yung video namin, yung vlog namin tungkol kay Hiraya, he doesn't wanna see it, pinapalipat niya because ngayon pa lang namin i-announce, no, Hiraya passed last summer and hindi dahil sa sakit niya na, di ba, nagkapayumeta siya, gumaling siya, ganyan. Hindi siya doon nagka-problem. Nagka-problem siya because it was too hot at that time ng summer. Nagka-heat stroke siya. And parang every other day nangyayari yun sa kanya. So, I think eventually hindi niya kinaya. Hindi rin namin na-share yun sa inyo because, like I said, there are certain things with our relationship sa aming mga dogs that it's really difficult for us to share, lalo na kung kamukha nun kasi si Hiraya was our first litter. So, unfortunately, sa litter na yon, I think I was able to share yung kay Papito, if I'm not mistaken. He passed. Nandun pa kami sa San Fernando nun. And last year, si Chonky Boy naman, nakapatid din nila Papito at Hiraya, also passed. Nandun naman siya sa Kalumpit. But I think it was also really very hot at that time at na-heat stroke siya. So, may mga ganon na it really takes time for us to be able to share it with you. And maybe later on, ma-share din namin yung kay Pretty Baby naman. Yan. So, for example, ito si Vlad pacing because nag-worry siya kay Hanya. Dahil hindi nga kumakain. So, baka Syngene ulit muna si Hanya habang hinihintay namin si Doc. May Syngene naman yata sa Pet Express, Dad. So, doon na muna kami bibili. So, yun. With Hanya, we're very worried kasi yun nga, hindi kami alam kung mag 2 weeks na ba siya na nag-medication. Mga ganun na eh. And by now, yung mga aso namin na if they get sick, give them about a week and maano na sila eh. Parang makikita mo na talaga yung improvement. Dito kay Hanya, it's a roller coaster. Like, some days she will eat, some days she won't eat. It's hard to tell kung out of the woods na siya or ano ba. Naabutan lang din talaga kami ng holiday, no? But, yun nga, we'll get Syngene muna and wait for a vet visit on Monday para mapacheck up siya. Yan guys, ito yung mga whelping clients namin. 6 na lang sila. 7 to, diba? Sa previous vlog namin. 2 yung gantong color. Kaso, fading puppy siya. So, nanlamig yung paa, gano'n. Nahirapang huminga. So, 6 na lang sila ngayon. Ngayon, 2 yung ilaw. Kasi, nugasan ko yung mga puwet. At madumi. So, para mailawan. Inano ko lang naman ng mabilis sa water yung puwet. Yung puwet lang. Yan na sila guys. Nasa loob na. Kasi nakalinis na kami kahit papano. Kahit papano. Ito na si Hanya sa loob. Hindi na siya pinasok ni Vlad sa crib para makalakad-lakad. Yun yung guys, ang payat na niya. Oh, mami, baby. Didi! Nakita mo yun? Doon umihi sa barricade. Ito naman si Mami. At ang mga puppies ay nandito na. Yan. Good girl.